everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Kubota BX23S 2025. Welcome to the first look at the 2025 Kubota BX23S, an incredible subcompact tractor loader backhoe designed to handle a wide range of tasks. This versatile machine stands out with its compact design, powerful performance, and striking new color options that make it visually appealing and practical for both residential and professional use. The BX23S now features an upgraded engine that delivers 21.6 horsepower, ensuring reliable power for a variety of applications. Kubota has paid attention to every detail in the 2025 model, enhancing both functionality and operator comfort. The updated color scheme adds a modern touch to the design, making it more attractive on the job site. The tractor-loader backhoe combination is built for quick transitions between tasks, thanks to its Swift Connect backhoe and front loader system. This system allows you to switch implements effortlessly, saving time and effort. The 2025 Kubota BX23S includes a comfortable operator station with ergonomically placed controls, ensuring ease of use for extended working hours. Its compact size allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, making it ideal for landscaping, small farm operations, and property maintenance. Despite its compact frame, the BX23S is built tough, with a durable steel body designed to handle demanding jobs. Advanced hydraulics in this model provide smoother operation, allowing for precise control of the loader and backhoe. The hydrostatic transmission ensures a seamless driving experience, eliminating the need for clutching or shifting. The machine also boasts an impressive lift capacity, making it capable of handling heavy loads with ease. A reinforced front axle adds to its ruggedness, providing enhanced stability on uneven terrain. With a focus on versatility, the Kubota BX23S is compatible with a wide range of implements, from mowers to snowblowers, making it a year-round solution for property care. Additionally, the maintenance has been simplified with an easy-to-access engine and service points, ensuring that you spend less time on upkeep and more time getting the job done. For those considering an upgrade or investing in their first subcompact tractor, the 2025 Kubota BX23S offers a perfect blend of power, convenience, and style. If you're impressed by this first look, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Gear Run for more reviews, first looks, and updates on the latest in farming and utility equipment. Stay tuned for more content to help you make the right choices for your needs.